Hello, my name is Alejandro NILA-MENDEZ. I was born in Mexico City. I studied at Mexico City. I got my Bachelor's of Science in Biochemical Engineering, and after that I decided to continue my studies in the PhD. I went to the north of Mexico. It's a small city called Irapuato. There I got my PhD degree. After that, I continue with some postdoctoral fellowships. One of them was at the Medical College of Ohio at the MCO Institute. After that, I went to the University of Texas at San Antonio, UTSA. What I did there was to study disease in the south of USA, also in the north of Mexico, called coccidioidomycosis, which is a disease caused by a pathogen, fungus, in this case Coccidioides posarasi and Coccidioides immitis. I did morphological studies. Basically, what are the genes involved in the process of the pathogenic parts of, in the pathogenic process of coccidioides. In that part was a very important part for me in my research area. I was able to clone genes. I was able to find a family of 17 genes involved in the morphological stages of coccidioides. Also, in the pathogenic part, when I came back to my country, I had to get an opportunity to get a job. I got a job here at the state of Veracruz. That's the south part of Mexico. We are in the very, very south of the state, in fact. I live in Acayucan, and I work as a teacher, and also I do some research. As a teacher, it's been an incredible job. I get involved in the biological and chemical sciences. I have developed I am involved in some courses, basically methods of separation, and also in balances, mass balances, energy balances. And after that, in my research area, I totally changed my research. Definitely, we have to find priorities in the state and the region. And I moved to functional foods, or foods that can be good for good health in our system. And those functional foods have been forgotten in several moments in our daily routines due to the new brands that are in the community or in the market. We can get them so easily. We sometimes forget that these kind of foods were involved in our daily lives, and they were healthy, and they made more good than just processed products that we can get nowadays. I'm referring to beverages like pulque. No matter it's an alcoholic beverage, it contains probiotics, which are good for our system. And not just that, we also have products in flour, like sourdough, which we can produce bread incorporating lactic acid that gives flavor to the dough. So it's also possible to get those kind of products that they used to be done And now we easily buy the yeast, but certainly when there were no packages of yeast, grandmas used to produce their sourdough in that way. And not just that, we can also have or generate beverages that not just are evolving in this moment, in other parts of worldwide, I would say, but certainly it's like kombucha, which is a product that was raised in China, Asia, and now we can get it in this moment all around the world. And also here in Mexico we have a beverage which is made of pineapple, fermentation of pineapple, called tepache, which is also a probiotic, a functional food. Well, that's the part of my life as a researcher and also as a teacher. I combine both parts in my daily life. It's part of my life. I like it, I enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. Thanks.